My dear students, we were talking about culture, we are talking about quality, we're talking about new ideas in management literature. And naturally, from research point of view, you would like to consider them. That what are their impacts? What are their effects? How does it affect the consumer decision making, customer satisfaction? How does the quality has an effect on customer satisfaction? This again becomes a topic of research. So customer satisfaction and the marketing orientation entered into the management literature when the commercial companies, they were producing product and they were finding out that their revenues go down, and they were searching what could be the reason. Reasons gave us the way that let's try to find out that how does the customer make a decision to buy the product again and again. Customer have a perceived value whenever they are buying a product or taking a service. ये मुझे मिलना चाहिए, ये बॉल पॉइंट मैंने 10 रुपए में खरीदा है, इसको कम से कम 10 दिन तो चलना चाहिए. परसीव्ड वैल्यू. ठीक है. नाउ अब आपने बॉल पॉइंट खरीद लिया, अब आपने बर्गर खरीद लिया, अब आपने पिज्जा खरीद लिया, अब आपने शैम्पू खरीद लिया. यू हैव बॉट ए प्रोडक्ट or a service. So actual value which will be delivered by the product, you will compare with the perceived value. ऐसा होता है ना? So if the actual value given by the product after the purchase is greater than the perceived value, you will be highly satisfied. Highly satisfied. If the actual value given by the product is equal to the perceived value, 10 रुपए दिए थे, हाँ ये बॉल पॉइंट 9-10 दिन चल गया, okay, fine, good enough. You will be satisfied. लेकिन अगर actual value जो है वो perceived value से कम है, you will be dissatisfied. So if the customer, अब ये डिसीजन तो कस्टमर ने करना है. So when the customer is dissatisfied, उसका रिजल्ट क्या होगा? He or she will not buy that product or service again. And the product which is sold by the company, sale will go down, profit will go down. So this means customer satisfaction became an important concept in the management literature. और क्वालिटी मैनेजमेंट के लिटरेचर ने, फिलॉसफी ने भी यही बात कही थी कि यू शुड ट्राई टू डिलीवर ए क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट which should deliver value to the customer so that the customer should keep on back to you, to the company again and again. So what is the mechanism? Find out the customer satisfaction. Find out the actual value and the perceived value ka difference. It means that the marketing management as a discipline becomes important. Because marketing is a social function. Marketing is that discipline which is directly related to the needs and wants and wishes and desires of the customer, of the market. और market में लोग कौन है? Customers. So marketing management is then an important discipline in terms of the management scholar and in terms of the organizational function. And management scholars like Kotler, Philip Kotler, अभी भी आप उनकी किताबें पढ़ते होंगे. Management scholar or marketing management scholar like McCarthy, who gave the 4P concept. Remember that 4P concept? So these concepts gives a handle to the manager that how are you going to satisfy the customer? Because customer satisfaction is important, because he compares or she compares the perceived value with the actual value. So Kotler says marketing is not a commercial transaction. No, it is a social transaction, and it is actually communicating through the social values. You're actually fulfilling the social value. देखिए ना, मेरी एक social need है, मैं एक social agent हूं, मेरी एक social value है, वो social value organization को through marketing function fulfill करनी चाहिए, and the company which will fulfill it better will stay longer in business. Thank you.